Hey, happy Sunday. I'm bringing you this recipe, cube steak with gravy. So let's get into it. Hey, I'm back. I already plated my food. So basically, this is going to be a recipe. What you want is this is cube steak with onions and gravy and white rice. What you're going to do is you're going to season up your cube steak. While you're doing that, you pour your oil into your pan. You're going to pan fry it, not deep fry it. So you don't need a whole lot of oil, just enough to cover the bottom of the cube steak. Turn your fire on, medium high. Let the oil get hot. While you're doing that, after you season your cube steak, you're gonna toss it in your flour, whether it's seasoned flour or not, it's your choice. Once the oil is hot, you put it in the pot, you fry it on one side, flip it over, fry it on the other side, take it out the pan, put it in a bowl, and keep going however many cube steaks you're cooking. Once you are finished cooking your cube steaks, you keep them in the bowl, and then you put your flour into the pot and just stir it up and make it put as much flour as you want. I don't know how thick you want your gravy or how thin, but the more flour you put in it, the thicker the gravy is going to be. You'll have to thin it out with your uh, beef stock. So you put your flour into the pan, stir it up. You don't dump the oil or anything because you kind of want that to make your gravy. And it's not a lot of oil you have in the pot. It shouldn't be anyway. Put your flour in the pan, stir it up, scrape all those bits in the pan as part of your little seasoning from frying your cube steak. And just keep stirring it until you get it as brown as you want. Some people like light gravy, some people like medium brown, some like dark brown. Just don't burn it. Stir it until you're ready to add your stock to it. I use beef stock. I really like chicken stock with everything, but I had some beef stock left for my chili, and then I had a jar of beef bouillon in the refrigerator, so I used beef stock. I used probably about 5 cups, no, maybe about 6 to 7 cups of beef stock. Poured it in, kept stirring it, and once I stirred it probably for about 10 minutes. Once you finish stirring it and you get it to the consistency that you want to, taste it because you may need to add salt, pepper, garlic powder, adobo, whatever you season your foods with. I seasoned mine with Himalayan pink salt, adobo seasoning, and pepper. And so kept stirring it up, kept tasting it till I got it to how I like the way it tastes. Once I finished that, I turned the heat down to a medium low, cut up some onions, add my onions to the pot, stirred it again for about a minute or so. Then I added my cube steak back to the pot and, just dunked it in, and I let it sit and simmer for about 10-15 minutes. And voila, you make your rice, your pot of rice, put your rice in, put your cube steak on top with your onions, add a little gravy, and here you have it. Cube steak with gravy. So hopefully this recipe was easy to follow. And everybody have a great week. I appreciate you supporting me. Give me that thumbs up. Leave your comments in the box below. Do you like cube steak? I haven't fixed it in years. I thought it'd be just something I would want to, buy and fix one night for dinner. So tonight happened to be the night. And if you can watch my video all the way through, this is only going to be like a little over 4 minutes, maybe 5. I appreciate it. Give me that thumbs up. It'll help with my analytics on YouTube, getting into the feeds. So until next time, peace.